Good morning children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our fifth chapter is going on, that is division. And yesterday and day before yesterday we have discussed about the facts of division and how we can check our division. Now, today we are going to start exercise 5A, that is divide and check your answer. So children, in this exercise you have to first divide and then you have to check the answer that you have done your division correct or not. Now question number 1 is 4803 divided by 2. Now what we will do, we will first see the first digit, it is less than or greater than the divisor. Now we can see in this question number 1 which we are doing, that is first digit is 4 and the divisor is 2. So 4 is greater than 2. Now what we will do, we will read the table of 2. Why? Because it is the divisor of this question. Now what we will we will read the table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So children, 4 is exactly same as the first digit given in the question. So what we will do, 2 twos are 4. How many times we are counting the table? This we are writing this side, and the table which we are reading, this we write at the left side. And now what will come after reading the table, we will solve it here. So 2 twos are 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0. Now what we will do, we will go to the next digit, that is 8. Now we will read the table again of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. So first we will write 8 downwards. Now 2 fours are 8. This 8 we have written from the here, we copied from here, and this 8 we have written after reading the table. 2 fours are 8. Now 8 minus 8 is 0, and again we will move to next digit, that is 0. So we don't divide 0. So what we will do with this 0, we take this 0 to the quotient. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन में 4 के बाद ये वाला 0 यहाँ पे कॉपी कर देंगे. नाउ फोर्थ डिजिट वी विल सी, दैट इज 3 वी कॉपी हियर. देन इन द टेबल ऑफ 2, 3 इज नॉट कमिंग. 2 ones are 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1 and 1 is the remainder. ठीक है? Now what we will do, we will verify the division that we have done it correct or not. Now let us verify the division. So children, quotient according to the formula of checking division, जैसा कि कल हमने डिस्कस किया था. So it is quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. So quotient is 2401. This we have written here. Divisor is 2 we have written, and remainder is 1 we have written, and dividend will come when we solve this fact. So first we will multiply 2401 by 2. So children, 2 ones are 2, 2 0 0, 2 fours are 8 and 2 twos are 4. Now what we will do, we will add 1 to 4802, and it will come 2 plus 1 3 and 084. So answer is, after verification, after verifying the division, answer is 4803, and this 4803, you can see children, this is the dividend of our question. So this is matching to our dividend, and this means that our division is correct. Clear? Question number 2, 364 divided by 8. Now what we will see, we will see first that the first digit of the dividend is greater than or less than the divisor. So our divisor is 8. and first digit is 3. So 3 is smaller than 8. So what we will do, we will take one more number. We will solve 36 together because it is the smaller number and it is smaller than the 8. Now 36 we divide by 8. We will read the table of 8. How many times? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24 and 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. 40 is greater than 36. So what we will do? We will come to again 4. 8 fours are 32. We will write here 8. 4 we have written here and 32 here we will write. Now we will subtract 32 from 36. Now children, 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we have written here 0. Now what we will do? We will go to the third digit, that is 4. 4 we will write downwards. Now it 4 will become 44. Now what we will do? Again we will read the table of 8 to come closer to the 44 or exactly. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40 and 8 sixes are 48. So 8 6 are 48, 48 is greater than 44, so we can't do it. So 8 fives are 40 we have written. Now 44 minus 40, what will come? 4 minus 0, 4 will come. 4 minus 4 is 0 only. Now remainder is here in this question, remainder is 4. Now what we will do? Now let us verify the division. Again we will write the formula. Quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Quotient in this question is 45, divisor is 8 and remainder is 4. Now what we will do? First we will multiply 45 by 8. 8 fives are 40, 0 we have written and 4 is carry. 8 fours are 32, 32 plus 4 is 36. Now we will add 4 to 360. 360 plus 4 is 364. Clear hai? Now this 364 is same to the dividend which is given in question, that is 364. Now children, question number 3. 2836 divided by 7. So again we will see the first digit, it is given 2. 2 is smaller than 7. So we will take the next digit also. It will become 2 will become 28 and we will now divide 28 by 7. So children, in the table of 7, 4 times 28 comes. So 7 fours are 28. It is on subtracting, answer will come 0 0. Now we will again write the 3. 3 is again smaller than 7. So we will take 6 also. But this time before writing 6 here, we will put 1 0 here. ठीक है? जैसे हमने यहाँ पे किया था, we can't put first 0 because it is having no value. 0 is having no value before the number. So this time we have written 0 के बिना हमने 28 दोनों साथ में ले लिया. बट नेक्स्ट टाइम में हमें 0 यहाँ पर लिखना ही पड़ेगा बिकॉज अगर हम 0 यहाँ पर नहीं लिखेंगे तो हमारा जो आंसर है वो सॉल्यूशन है वो रॉन्ग भी हो सकता है, वो रॉन्ग ही होगा. सो 7 बिफोर राइटिंग द 6 हियर वी विल पुट 1 0 हियर. नाउ वी हैव रिटन हियर 6 ऑल्सो 36. इट बिकम्स नाउ 7 5s are 35 we will do because 36 is not coming in the table of 7. So 7 5s are 35 and 36 minus 35 is 1. And 6 minus 5 is 1 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now let us verify the division. Quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Now 405 is the quotient, 7 is the divisor and 1 is the remainder. 7 5s are 35. 3 is carry here, so 3 plus 0 is 3 because on multiplying 0 answer will come 0 only. 7 4s are 28. Now 2835 we will plus 1 in 2835 it will become 2836 and this you can see children 2836 is same as 2836 given in the question. It is the dividend. So this means our division is correct. Now children, your homework is you have to solve question number 4 and 5 in your classwork copy. Okay? Again, exercise 5A, question number 4 and 5 you will solve in your classwork copy when I will send the picture of that question 4 and 5. You can check it also. Thank you and have a nice day.